wrap up with work, and then I will be done for the year, which is very exciting. But most of today I'm dedicating to getting ready for tomorrow. So I'm gonna run down around the corner to this epic like bakery cafe and get some bread. I'm gonna pop a podcast on, go do that, and then do some other fun things and get ready for tomorrow. So let's go. There was a massive line, so I'm glad I got there early. Got my baguettes for tomorrow, and then also got some fruit toast for brekkie this morning and for the weekend. I need to have a little think about what I'm going to wear tomorrow, and I might also potentially try and add some sleeves onto a dress. You know, just chaotic last minute things that I like to do. Got that new nail polish, and I was procrastinating the other day and started painting this hand. I haven't painted this hand, so I might finish that today. I've been really liking listening to Diary of a CEO lately, which I've literally discovered in the past like day or two. But everyone on there seems to be inspiring, and the interviewer just knows how to navigate a conversation well. I have a desk, but for some reason I just always find myself on the couch. It's nice snuggling up against Rasco. I was listening to a podcast episode on the Diary of a CEO, and I literally just had a breakthrough. You know, I've been talking a lot about just like being in a bit of a fork in the road, and the hard thing from all of that is that it's like nothing has particularly gone wrong. My graphic design business is flowing, work is amazing. If my 2018 or 2019-year-old self could see me now, she'd be stoked that I'm getting all my dream jobs. There's just like an inner feeling of unfulfillment, and also knowing that I'm putting so much time and energy into building other people's businesses when I could be putting more creativity into the Essentials Club and my tutorials and just like so many other little endeavors within that I want to explore. So I'm always left like frustrated, and then also feeling like I'm letting down clients because I'm like half my foot is in the door and out the other door. Just that whole internal world of trying to navigate what that means, what that looks like, and what I should do next. And this episode was by Mel Robbins, and they were just talking about the feeling of being stuck. Psychologically, when we have that feeling of being stuck, I wrote the quote down, it goes, "Feeling stuck is tied to a fundamental need for growth." And then like she just goes on to say, we believe it's an existential crisis, and then we end up blowing up our lives. And I feel like that's how I've been feeling lately. It just resonated with me so much. It just makes sense that I feel like I'm not growing anymore with my graphic design business. I've kind of like reached the ceiling. I'm getting my dream clients, I'm doing the same work. It's kind of been the same type of like branding design work, whereas like the Essentials Club and what I do within this space just really excites me and lights me up, and I feel like there's so much to explore. I feel like this was like really my turning point of being like, let's go full game with the Essentials next year, put a pause on graphic design. I just wanted to show that in the moment because I feel like if I'd tried to relay that later, it wouldn't be the same. Hopefully that inspires you. I'll leave the link to the episode as well if that fascinates you at all. It's gonna be square. Yeah, that one purple. Does that mean hair?
Happy New Year.
The original owners of the towel. Yeah, the Essentials Club. I got a nice little pocket of sunshine, and now the clouds are coming over. Got to test out my new Patagonia top, courtesy of Santa Claus. Oh yeah, I spent a bit of time this morning adding my sleeves onto the dress, and I'm going to wear that today, which I'm excited to style up. Spent the morning at the beach with Darcy's family, and then now we're going to get ready and go over to my auntie's and spend time with my family for the rest of the day.
It's basically a cappuccino.
Oh my god, it's fully raining. But we got our own little tent. Whoop whoop. time to go surfing. This is caked on zinc, not makeup, just FYI. I went for a walk this morning, saw the beach, it was beautiful. Messaged my friend. It's so good to have a little surf buddy that you can like hold each other accountable. We've been like saying we're gonna go surfing and then we get super picky, and today I was like, let's do this, let's make it happen. Get out in the water, we'll feel so much better. So we're doing it. She's gonna come pick me up. I've been running around getting ready. I haven't pulled this surfboard out in months. It's actually embarrassing. Oh my god. What a disaster. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I've got my towel, wallet, keys. Can you tell that I like yellow? I've got a checkered hat and I've got a yellow board. I love being chauffeured to the surf. I think that was a pretty successful surf mission. We actually ended up finding a spot just out the front of my friend's place and we ran into her, and then another friend came along and we chilled out for a little bit. I definitely realized that I am not surf fit and I need to practice just getting used to paddling. It's been a while just because of all the crazy border stuff going on. I haven't been like inspired to go surfing and deal with all that stuff. So it's the week in between Christmas and New Year's where all the sweet Christmas gifts become breakfast and snacks in between. Christmas was really nice. As I mentioned, spent the morning with Darcy's fam, went to the beach. We got like a perfect little window of like the sun being out. The ocean was like so crystal clear and calm, so we made the most of that and hung out there for a couple of hours. Played some ball games on the beach, and then we went to my auntie's. Pretty much every year the table just like gets cleared out of the way and then a dance floor happens or something. And this year for some reason there was a microphone and guitar and various instruments, so it turned into a bit of a talent show, which was really funny. And then Boxing Day we do Christmas with my dad's side, so my friend and I went and gathered some French pennies off the ground around town, and then we made some beautiful leis and like centerpieces to put on the table for my other family Christmas that we have at my mum and dad's. So it made it smell like summer with French pennies. It was so nice. And then we had a big feast again and played games. It was good to see all my cousins and aunties and stuff on that side. Yeah, then it just turned to like less than ideal weather, which was kind of nice because I feel like I was on a bit of a Christmas come down, and I just stayed home, edited my video, which I actually uploaded this morning. Now it is just that week in between Christmas and New Year's and I have no idea what's happening, but I'm fully embracing it. The sun surprisingly came out today, which is why I made the most of it and went for a surf. But yeah, because we are border residents so we can go freely in between it, we thought we might do one of our favourite things, which is going for a bit of a drive down south and doing a bit of a loop and maybe an art gallery, maybe a swim. We'll see. So I'm gonna finish this and then we'll go do that. Tiny's vegan, so we made these vegan as well and they taste amazing. So if I can re-find the recipe, I'll link it below. So good.
Deja vu had me thinking of you. But the past is the past, glad that it's all news. Riding around on your board with your angst and your issues, I guess they score.
Ready for the gallery.
Can't believe I did. Fell for you, the virgin inside my head. Finally alone, I feel good on my own. I finally erased your number from my super phone. Riding around on your board with your angst and your issues, I guess that you scored on. I just wanna feel again, something that is real again. Thought that I was someone to you. Skater boy, now you're gone, I'm carefree. Skater boy, you were no good to me.